Hi, Randy from Quad Education here, helping students get into their dream college. It's very easy to make mistakes on the math portion of the SAT and ACT exams, but there are some strategies that you can use just to help cut down on making some of those mistakes. One strategy is to be very methodical in your calculations. Let's look at an example. In this question, we're being asked to subtract one polynomial equation from another polynomial. The best way to approach this problem is to first write down our first equation, which is x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared. Now, after we distribute our negative from subtracting, we want to line up our like terms with each other. So for example, a negative of a negative x squared y becomes a positive x squared y. A negative of a positive 3xy squared becomes a negative 3xy squared. Now, it would be very easy to line that up with our middle term, since that is our second term as well. But if we notice, we have an xy squared in that portion, and that needs to correspond with this like term right over here. And then finally, negative of a negative 3y squared becomes a positive 3y squared. Now that we've lined up our equations, now we can make our calculations and combine them together. So x squared y plus x squared y gives us a 2x squared y, which right away eliminates choice A and choice B. A negative 3y squared plus 3y squared cancels out. So most likely we can eliminate choice D as well, and C would be our answer. But let's just double check. A 5xy squared and a negative 3xy squared is a positive 2xy squared. So that does correspond with choice C. So by taking the time to be methodical and line up our like terms together, it's a lot easier to make an accurate calculation and get this question correct. Let's look at another example. If we scroll up to this question right here, in this equation, we're being asked to first solve one portion and then find a value of another. So let's start with the first half of this equation. We have 5 over x equals 15 over x plus 20. When we have two fractions with an equal sign between them, we cross multiply. So we would have 5 times x, which is 5x, plus 5 times 20, which is 100, is equal to 15x. When we subtract 5x from both sides, we get 100 is equal to 10x, and 10 is equal to our x. Now, it would be very easy to stop there, and quite frequently many students do, myself included. And we could stop and choose choice A, but we actually didn't finish our problem yet. We still need to find the value of x over 5. And if we caught that, it would be 10 over 5, which would give us the correct answer, which is 2. A great way to get around this mistake, this common mistake, is to, from the beginning, circle what it is you're looking for, so that after you solve this first portion, you can come back and say, did I answer the actual question that I was looking for or trying to solve for? And that could help you cut down on this mistake. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on tackling SAT and ACT concepts. Bye for now.